walk along the meandering paths of the forest, suddenly my ears are tuned to the calls of different birds. My senses of hearing and vision come alive to the surrounding environment. As a birder, I can immediately pick up even the slightest movement in the dense foliage, and my hand-eye coordination kicks in automatically. The camera from lying idle flies to my eye, focusing on that little bird in the trees, and the shutter starts singing its own little tune, from a single click to a burst of continuous chattering. After the bird flies away, I look into the screen and zoom to check on the finer detail, lighting, sharpness, and my face erupts into a smile of a shot gone well. As I move on and search for more, I realized a birder is never satisfied with that one shot. It's always more looking for that little magic in the picture, for the right bouquet, tack sharp picture, the just proper lighting conditions, and so on. As I trudge along with this heavy equipment, I try to remember all the lessons I have gone through on YouTube for the prevalent conditions and the ISO, aperture and shutter speed used. Well, in the excitement of flicking as many birds, everything is a fumble, and all that remains is you, your camera, and the birds before you. Well, the quest is on to get the best pictures. I hope you enjoyed the Birds of Maharashtra series. Keep watching and wish all you guys a happy and successful birding.